How to create an ebook cover in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create an ebook cover in your Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and head over to Canva. After you're on your Canva, you can then simply search for the template for a ebook. So I'll just search for ebook cover. And after searching for it, hit enter, and it should present me with a lot of different ideas for books. Now you can select anyone from here, and then you can make edits on this. So choose the one that fits your genre the most. So let's say that I want to change this one right here. So I'll just change this one. That's really simple. I'll choose just a simple one. This the one, and then tap on customize this template. After doing that, all you now have to do is start writing stuff. So here you can change your title. So just type in the title for here. After you type in the title, you can change this to your name as well. And again, if you want to make more edits, you can do that as well. So let's say that you want to change the background for it. You can simply select this, tap on the backspace and remove the background and add something else from the upload section. So you can drag and drop an image and then import it. So if I just import this right here, I can simply add this on the background. Now this does not look great, so I'll just remove this and change it back to the original one. But this is the basic idea of how you can create an ebook cover on your Canva. Also, if you want to change the colors or fonts, you can simply do it by selecting the text, going to the up section here on this bar, and selecting the image color, I mean text color, the text font and size, and everything else. And yeah, this is basically how you can create an ebook cover for your ebook. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.